Good afternoon, YouTubers. Today I'm showing a video on how to delete a user account from the computer. Bear in mind this video is aimed towards beginners of computers, people who don't really know how to use computers at all. Right, so first of all what you want to do is click Start, click Control Panel, let's make the screen a bit bigger. And you want to go to User Accounts and Family Safety. Then on here, under the User Accounts, it will say Add or Remove User Accounts. Click on that. This is the account that I wish to delete. So on the left side of the screen, you'll see where it says Delete the account. You can delete the files, keep the files, cancel. I want to delete all the files. Delete account. And there you go, that's all done. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself and each other.